Just a little pit stop here. We're on our way to Gettysburg, and we just got done with a great lunch, and we spent a little time with Bob LaRosa from Fix My Hog. I don't know if you guys know his show, but he's got a YouTube channel, and about 8 or 10 other people. So we had lunch with him, and then so we broke out, and we're just a little pit stop here now. We're headed out to Gettysburg, and we're going to see the battlefield. In all the years I've been through Pennsylvania, not yet have I ever seen Gettysburg battlefield, so I'm looking forward to it. Okay, we made it to Gettysburg. I'm here with Michael Bergeron, and we're going to go and try to see some of the sights inside the battlefield. We're going to ride on the bikes and stop at a couple of places along the way. Little round top. Now this is just a simple pan shot of a particular field, a particular hill that the Army of North Virginia held in its attempt to advance further north in the Civil War. God bless us. Like I always say, at the end of every trip, all good things must come to an end. And once again, this trip has come to an end, except for the ride home. I may do a little bit of videoing on the way home, but it's going to be pretty mundane. We're going to take the highway back, so it's going to be 83 to 81, and then Route 84 out of Scranton, and we'll come in up through Danbury and Waterbury up to Hartford. I just want to say what a pleasure it was to be able to ride in the beautiful state of Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania really is a gorgeous state to ride in. There's no question about it. You know, the rolling hills, I mean, some of the roads, it was just like riding on a roller coaster. It really was. We felt like we were just flying, you know, in a plane, you know, at low altitude. It was just gorgeous. Gettysburg was phenomenal. Really, really enjoyed Gettysburg. Just such an unbelievable tribute. I mean, you could spend a week there and easily and not see it all. The tour at York, Pennsylvania, I mean at the steel toe tour at the Harley plant, awesome. Truly worth the money. Truly worth the $38 it costs to go through there. If you guys ever get a chance to go there, hop on it, because it's really worth it. So all in all, just very blessed, and just very thankful, and just very appreciative to be able to ride every day that we can ride. put more miles underneath our belt on our bikes, on our motorcycles. We're just blessed to be able to do it. So I'm going to sign off now. Hasta la vista, baby, and we'll see you on the other end. I may pick up a little bit on the way and video a couple of things here and there, but it's not going to be much because it's not going to be a really scenic route this time. I'm back, and we're going over the Alleghenies here on Route 81, coming up on Scranton, Wilkes-Barre, and the weather has cleared off considerably. This is a fairly heavy truck route, as you can see, but the traffic has been good and everything's been fine. Temperature is warming up slightly. It's supposed to be 82 degrees in Hartford today, and see if the camera angle is a little bit better there for you guys. Yeah, you're looking at 82 degree temperatures in Hartford today. Clear skies, and that's the way it is currently. Hopefully it'll be similar to that when we get there. And I'm dressed just a long sleeve shirt, t-shirt, and leather vest. No chaps, and I'm comfortable. I mean, I'm not overly warm, but I'm not cold either. So all's good. All's good. It won't be too much longer. We'll be back into Hartford. Another 3 hours maybe, somewhere in that neighborhood, plus or minus. And maybe I'll get back with you right around that point when we're closing out the trip. Come back and visit with you guys again.